mode has been idle for 2 days. I wanted it to come out and do some work. It broke down when I pulled it. This thing. Bye-bye.
Like this high-powered laser.
It can easily cut through wooden sticks. Use it to cut grass. See? It's simple, isn't it? Replace the original blade with a laser. Should be feasible. First, use a laser to cut a mounting plate. Install 2 lasers in opposite directions. Then fix them to the brushless motor. When it starts spinning, you can achieve 360-degree cutting without dead ends. Turn it on. This effect is so cool. We can dance. Also got installed. Let's try it out a bit. What are you going to do? Isn't this fine? The state is fast. Not a single blade of grass was cut. Laser spin it up. The temperature can't be sustained. It seems the laser can only stay still. Switch to this portable lawnmower. Install it in the front. Press the handle to start the laser S1, ranged in parallel, 1 positive and 1 negative. Pick up a pot of grass from the roadside. Do an experiment. First, line the position. Cut a small section.
Turn it on. Slowly move forward. Oh, it's not cutting well.
What's going on?
This speed is too slow.
I smell burning.
The middle is not cut. Look here and here.
It's mainly the sides. The middle is so high.
It looks very messy.
Can this one be done separately?
Move slowly. Oh, I woke up and found another problem.
Another metal plate from the interception mechanism has been pierced through. There's nothing to stop it. Shooting everyone. That's not good. You burned a small hole. See? So, when operating the mechanism, you must wear high-specification goggles. Safety first. Redesign. Use a right-angle positioning ruler to make a frame. Place it in position according to the model. Glue with strong glue.
Wow, the rice looks pretty good.
Stick double-sided mirrors to the inside of the frame.
This can trap the laser inside the frame.
And also increase the number of lasers. This high-quality double-sided mirror.
Its special metal coating can reflect immediately on the surface.
Notice that there is no gap in the mirror image of the nose tip. Looks as an ordinary mirror, with a gap in the middle of the nose tip. But the reflected layer is on the back. The laser shines on it. First passes through the glass and then reflects. Easily broken. Dry the UV glue after loading. Tear off the protective film.
Connect the corner power supply. Turn it on.
Why are there still 2 lines with no reflection?
Looking closely, there is a little reflection in the corner.
Found the reason. The laser distance is too far, so it's not straight.
It's all because I removed this lens in front and then tried again. Oh, okay. Look, is this effect okay? Grid-like. It looks a bit like the laser corridor in Resident Evil. Put in a match.
See that? Easily ignited. Pick up another basin of grass.
Try it.
Hey.
No good.
The grass is blocking the laser.
The mirror can't reflect.
Then don't reflect. Increase the number of lasers. Direct all of them. See? Just these few.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Less than 10,000 in total. Cut some acrylic to make a mounting plate. Too many. Only when using this lawnmower at the beginning. Be careful. The lasers cannot shoot at each other.
Bring it over and screw it onto the lawnmower frame.
The last and most troublesome step
is to connect the laser driver circuits and batteries. Turn it on and try it.
Why does it smell strange?
Put a piece of wood in slowly. This effect, this laser network is too strong. Smoke is coming out. Watch closely where the laser sweeps across the surface of this wood. It left black marks. This wood, it won't be cut through anytime soon.
Again, I pick up a patch of grass. Put it in the middle.
Let's cut it. Move forward.
This one looks like it'll work.
Wow, take it out and take a good look. Wow.
Alright. See? Flat.
Easily gave it a flat top.
Let's go.
Ready to repair the lawn. Oh, reality is different again.
The ground isn't level.
It's not that easy to fix.
Like some not too tall grass. It can be easily dealt with. The coconut is only for low grass. Have a look. Like this moving back and forth. The cutting point can't be focused for rapid pushing and pulling. There's no way to deal with the grass. Pushing it slowly like this can cut it.
So, this laser lawnmower needs to move forward slowly.
It has to be very slow. From afternoon until now. It's going to be dark soon. This laser is really too bright. It feels like some smoke is coming out. I can't see very well either.
It shouldn't be too big, right?